So here's a big command unit we just built for Salinas Fire Department. It's up in close to the Bay Area, close to San Francisco. It's mounted on a Spartan Gladiator cab chassis. It's an ELFD cab. You can see the body here for Monterey County operational area. In the front compartment, we just got the 12 volt panel and the light tower controls. Light tower controls are there, and the 12 volt panel's behind that. You got a shore power inlet with the inlet there. And the next one, we have a battery bank and the inverter. So the inverter takes 12 volt power from these batteries and turns it into 120. Got a patch panel here for audio and video and phone lines, network lines. There's the incoming thing for the patch panel. Underneath you got some stuff for the big feed. It's got a leveling system on it. It's got a 35 kW PTO driven generator there. It's got awnings on both sides here. It's got a 20 kW diesel generator right there. On the back it's got two 42-foot masts. They're not up all the way. You can see what's up there. You got the two control boxes right here. This one has one more switch for the strobe power. And you also have a patch panel on the rear of the vehicle here for phone, network, video, and XLR. On the top of the truck, you've got some satellites for data, antenna rails, satellites for TV. You can see this one here. Got another dome satellite off air. There's the light tower. Got a air conditioner for the cab as well as another antenna rail. Body, almost the full length of the body. You got antenna rails. You can see the top of the masts here. You got the Bosch camera as well as an antenna hookup and a mesh node and an antenna array that goes in here. And then on the curb side of the body, we'll have an external TV here, as well as some perimeter cameras. There's the TV. See, it's got the AMX system. There's this touchscreen audio video routing. And there's the TV. On the inside of the vehicle, this is where the fun really starts. We've got the conference room here with a Polycom high definition video camera up there. Some other monitors, the weather station here. Got Cisco IP phones, AMX audio video routing screens pretty much at every station. Got overhead cabinets, whiteboards, central AC and air just like your house. In the middle here you got a big wide format plotter. It's on an out and down tray. Some more big 30-inch monitors. More desktop consoles. Another AMX screen. Some more IP based phones. Controls for the slide outs. And in the big main area here you got just screens, phones, you got the radio interoperability system, you got all sorts of fun stuff. Whiteboards, monitors, computers, everything like that. You got a conference table here. It's got lift up access for power and for network. And it's got foldable leaves. So these ones fold up. Both sides fold up. And then here in the tech rack room, You've got the radio system, patch panel, interoperability system, bunch of radios there. Here's those antennas I was talking about earlier. You got the generator information, high voltage breaker panel, some light boards, and here's the other tech rack. Got some high definition DirecTV stuff, servers, video surveillance. That's the AMX controller. And then in the front of the cab, you've got more monitors and phones and whiteboard material for overhead cabinets and all sorts of stuff. Got another AMX screen there. Got a multi-function printer here that's mounted on a cabinet. And then in these compartments here, you just have the air conditioning condensers and things for the AC system, as well as a little reel. So that's what that is. And then you have the control system for the leveling and the slide outs, as well as another condenser. So that's about it. Pretty good looking truck. Big truck too.